Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put about negative x go to the right. Next, we divide both sides by x. Next, this one we can change into dy over dx. So dx we put on the right. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Next, I will concentrate about this one first. The integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to lnx. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we got about du equals to dx over x. This one we change by u. dx over x we change by du. The integration of u we have u squared over 2, and I will put about c. About u, that is about lnx. The integration of dy, we have y. The integration of number 1, we have x. The integration of this one, we have this one. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of x, and I will put about c, and this one too. This is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.